Hi, I'm Olive from Olive to Craft, and this is my brother, Rocky. And today we are making family hand turkeys. Today, we're making family hand turkeys. You're going to go around your home and trace one hand of each of your family members. You're going to need cardstock or heavy construction paper. I'm using brown for the body of my turkey. And I'm using red, yellow, and orange for my other family members. But you can use any colors you want. You're also going to need a pencil, scissors, a glue stick, glue dots if you have them, and tape. First, I'm going to trace Rocky's hand. He's the youngest in my family. Let's start tracing.
It's a bit tricky to trace. When you trace, it doesn't have to look exactly like the hand. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Finished! Now I'm going to trace my hand. I traced everyone's left hand because I want them to face the same way. But you can do it any way you want. It's like it's a roller coaster going up and down, up and down. Okay, now to finish it off. And I'm done. Now I'm gonna cut out me and Rocky's hand. I'm gonna cut out my hand first. Make it easier to cut around the fingers, I'm going to make a quick rough cut around the hand to make the paper lighter. Now it's so much easier to cut around the fingers because there isn't all this heavy paper around. And here's my finished hand. Now I'm going to do Rocky's hand. I'll start with the rough cut around the hand, and then I'll cut around the fingers. for the final cut. Oh, no. I need to make that a little round. And now for the final cut. And Rocky's hand is finished. I went ahead and traced and cut my mom and dad's hand. And I traced my dad's hand on a brown piece of paper because he has the biggest hand. And I want to use that for my turkey's body. Before I start gluing everything together, I'm going to write the name of each person on their thumb. Daddy, Mommy, Olive, and for the kids, I'm going to write their age to know how old we were when we made this turkey. 8 and now that I've written everyone's names on the back of their hand, I'm going to set the small ones to the side and start making the face on the biggest hand, the brown hand. I took some scrap pieces of paper from the bigger paper that I used to cut up my hands, and I drew the parts for the face and I drew the feet. This is the little red thing that hangs off of the turkey's face. These are parts for the eyeballs. This is the beak, and these are the feet. Now let's cut them out. I'm going to start with the little red thing that hangs off of the turkey's chin.
That's sort of round, kind of. Sort of swirly round. Or just looks like, actually. And it also looks like some waves.
And I finished the little red thing. Now I'm going to move on to the beak.
You should cut off these parts that I don't need. And stick this.
And then with the beak, I'm going to cut out the eye.
Just take that whole part off.
There we go. And now let's cut out the pupil. If you don't want to cut out a little black circle, you can just use a black marker. Okay, last but not least, let's cut out the feet. Now this final part. Now let's cut out the other foot.
Now I just need to cut out these little triangle pieces.
Now the feet are done. Set aside the feet for now. Let's work on the face. We're going to put it all on the brown thumb. Okay, now you need your glue stick. Then get your red wormy thing and put glue on the top fat Now put it on your turkeys. Right there. Okay, I put mine on. Now I'm gonna put my beak on. Okay. I'm putting glue on the top fat part. The top fat round part. Now I'm gonna put it right. You're gonna put it right over the wormy thing. Like so. And now I'm gonna glue the little black part onto the white circle. They're both so tiny. There we go. Now let's glue the white part. Should put that on there. Let's glue. Putting it on the turkey. Okay. Now, this is the finished turkey face. Now you're gonna grab your next biggest hand and you're gonna put it on top of your brown hand. You're gonna try to put the fingers in between each other and make sure to line up the bottoms of the hands. I'm going to use glue dots to stick them together, but you can always use your glue stick. Now grab your next biggest hand, and to make it easier, line up your hands with your thumb behind the last one, and just get a glue dot or glue and lift one side up and just stick it on there. And then lift the other side up and add a glue dot or glue. Now the next hand is added. Now it's time for our smallest hand. If you want your turkey to stand like mine, you're going to need a strip of cardstock. Make sure it's not higher than the palm of your biggest hand. So you're going to roll it up into a cylinder, and then you're going to take a strip of tape and you're going to put it on, and then you're going to put it on the outside and the inside to make sure it's secure. I taped the outside and I'm taping the inside as well, like this. To make sure it's secure. So now I'm going to take 2 glue dots then I'm gonna put it on the back of my turkey, making sure it's lined up with the bottom. And ta-da! I hope your turkey stand up. You're gonna get a piece of tape and stick it halfway on the leg. And then you're gonna put it inside the cylinder and press down like this. So now you're gonna flip your turkey over, and then you're gonna fold your legs up, and it should stand up. This should be your finished turkey. Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty Thanksgiving. Bye. First, I'm gonna trace Rocky. He's the young. He's not the oldest. He's the youngest. So today we're making family hand turkeys.
Turkeys.
Turkey. Oh, it's making me laugh. I went ahead and cut. This is our final product.